I can't get enough of this. And though it's not done yet. But look at this. Look at this. Namuha naman, oy. And this one is still pagahion. Still needs to be and then kuha ni siya. Still in the process of getting fixed. Okay, this is our mint, the other side, like yerba buenas, and this is different kinds of mints. This is Americano na basil, sangig, and this is Thai basil. Kasi siya matapang siya. And guess what? Meron din akong tinanim dyan na bulaklak. Hindi masayang, di ba? Hindi masayang. Namumulaklak na ang ating isang kamatis. Nang nag-add tayo ng different kinds of tomatoes, guys. Ito. So, meron pa. Kulang pa. Malapit na. Malapit na. Ayan, namumulaklak. Ay, pang shades yan eh, nabulaklak. So, good morning, sunshine. They really glow up when I put them in the soil because I thought they're gonna die. So, over here, in this side, still in the process. I'm gonna put gravel in here, right here. And I'm gonna add on white stuff in here because I was out of white flour. So I'm gonna add on another flour, white flour in here. So they're like assorted flour. Ganoon kay ko niya, ganda talaga nito. Yung tuway-tuway. Kaso lang, they're not perennial. They're only annual. But it's there. Panghinang angso dito ng mga iro. Tapos dito, still in the process pa rin. I need to finish it. Yes, good morning, sunshine. Yeah, it's morning. And dito, tatanimin ko rin din dito ng gulay-gulay or kahit ano. So, ayan. Tapos dito is rocks. Yeah.